Sandy.
What's up?
I do. Welcome. Afternoon.
How are you?
I'm fine.
I don't cry away.
Great. Back. No, back on coffee and run on there to a dinner to a win afternoon.
Baba too. Well, me call Joe Boutique ne was your honor. And I'm seeing my behind them. I'm making a meeting very important.
Okay.
It's about only my sister Mobi and I'm the last time. It is an amoya call now. I say, Jai baby never for some sick and need you, sir. And I also saw by Anna. Tility, my sister winning. Because I'm in it if you're not me, I can't focus on me. We might make me friend or complain about this about the Tigan as it goes on a corner. Are you okay with that?
Sandy. And how? Now, I'm making up my mind that. All that there's all on your pen or maybe me dining net and dining snack. And now they say me be very.
Because the shop yours cannot contribute TV. If you are with me on the far, when I'll do a bit now, film no show. In the end, no, about for man and interest only even two Jana Pass and if you are no what worry about our towers. And now, it's all stars and you be a back on a so foul. It's a how the control. And in so make on it to the beard, you overcome your name.
And how why? Now, very mean dining net, then dining snack.
Because I'm not proud to for plan. I rent them and not to go. Beman have a faculty. It's a wood or two for now. Oh, how
we are the ain't I knew. I am the SSF to remember Baba before that. In that very net and it's not very poor woman. That's an any watching now. Not me, Baby Gino. And I say, you one can be free of the bank. I will be chimney.
Oh, Sunday.
Dining, how, mammy.
I am shopping in room to make fun of my car for you.
Oh, now, and so she feed your mamma.
I feel I'm going to have money. So, let me drive my fro.
I see. Yeah, some more. I crack it to a cray, Yancy, mommy, Yansa drink. Not all stars, mammy pay anyway.
Masa. Nade.
Adan sese.
Ha?
Adan sese.
Debi ana wo peni penu masem na eti ana wo pedi nipa be ye no ahwe. Ha? Ede na wudi dia.
Asem ko we si woni ajakon de nem so mfa ya mi.
Na ha se wo ko na se aduani si wo aduani se esi wa. Esi wo mamu ana se esi wo mankotre. Esi wo manipa.
Na se aduani ye mienu.
Wa ye aduani na woto aduani. Kwesi na mi busa wo.
Na won ti asem ya wo bisa me pansa be no pese.
Ano ko ma. Ha? Wunim nya sa wo. Ana ya usese bi wo afini ebe so na wo akwa from masa. What you know? What me tutu na wo yi sa ko. Akwa mi mepiani. Ei me ja mi go. Ana wo so me.
Ti u jeni ba.
Ba pensa mo wo apota mo. Ha?
E ti di be sa.
Ha? Na me ko se mo wodi. Ko se me. Mi me so me se me mi pia ba abefa de ne. Me ba ya o to de na be se edian ni si wo na obi ani mo. E kwam de ne se. Eni kwa se me fa dia. Na o to de no wo na be se na mu ni. Sanye fo obi aduani di.
Na wo fe de na wo bisa.
That's why oil ka se sumo.
Oko na aduani ise. Chichiku.
Eni kuso da so kwa so no so fa dia.
Chichiku na de bi pese me bisa ne se. Aduani bre wo kitchen ho. Nti se kom du wo chichiku ko ne aduani ne nsi ho. Nti so fa ba ko na se wo ko fa ba ko bone be ne wo.
Aduani mi na mtso na mtu mu no. Na e ba ko na mso na tugu ya na mtugu ya. You did not pay the area. Now, if you have a father, say, they will go and look here now. That's the case.
Chichi kunti sweti bakuna se usufa bakuna se we are come to won't you prepare the no won't you prepare the
kitchen oh yeah and brass and nipa na brass person mean papa ni
oh they say wrong you are wrong
nipa na ya de mani usa de no wrong
na usu ko ne dan yes
o fa de That's the yes. I said, "Bunny, I mean, pity power. Why you nipa where me take? I don't know why you take.
Jeku, Debbie, on time, but them me say Debbie. Who tell you that? Now, so when you are nursing. Come on to your man. I don't show you as you show man.
Many are here.
Yeah, come on to me. I'm going to make my prepare. Why? You don't have it.
Pizza. But let it cook. Let it cook.
This is a big model. Now, what is my prepare? I shall want my sweat.
Yeah, you're good at the lap here.
Now, me pension my own. Oh, one issue. Oh, the fashion. My friend, get to be Weber. Come on. Come on now, also, yet come on. Yes, I would be papa. Ah,
Mama, I show so, but then the
hey, I would say. Ah, anybody, then you know, me manage you. Me manage you. I would say. Ah, you hear me any other about it. Over done so God, what would your mammy? Ah, Kabai can plan in a Casana me too. Can plan me to hey, my body. Oh, I'm glad you more. And check your river. Oh, Finipa, oh, what do I tell the baby? Yes, Papa.
Mommy.
Yes, Papa.
Good day.
Ah, a baby, Miss Muan, man, Sakamia Baba, Wakamia, Wale Madi.
Oh my God, hi. My friend, we were doing me shooting my mother and Minyako.
Me and I'm full. Oh, would you make customer would see myself? Ah, me baby. Miss Sakamia Baba, Wapan, the Kenyan Banwa, Kamiam Sawale Madi.
Oh my God, your mom, that is totally impossible. And I leave it to my it's young coincidence.
When you there be a one here, so what's happened?
Yeah, I have to go back.
Yes, so you send me dog.
Of course, I know.
The wild doctors about whom you put one send me dog. When you open it, one pound, passion. Once an army, you didn't come.
Yeah,
you didn't come off fire. We hear it. I won't money at the dinner, you didn't come on. Oh, yeah, but let me pierce and see, Mamma, made me to form minimum jump. Or bar with this would do a year fatal. And so, for him, we would yet say. I would do something than that. Share two or two. Ah, share the Yafun say, in the Yafun, I won't go and monk one of them, sir. Class me, class. Fee, what dear, if you be any more. A fee, it will be able to open yet, see a cassa, maybe you must be a buyer. Mammy, we are buying a buyer, mammy.
Mom, so is it because of this very lady? That's why you asked me to come home? I'm here to my premises, Papa. Because of, excuse my language, because of this thing? That's why you asked me to come home? Hey, I'm surprised. No, please, I'm sorry. Semi Caribbean for two, I'm so sorry. But I'm really surprised my mom is treating me this way or doing this.
Uncle.
You know very well I'm living with my wife. My in-laws in this same house, and you brought somebody to me for me to, have babies with me. Oh my God, my mom totally disappointed me.
Fee, yes, sir. Make you with your papa. Bible said you none were Jenny now. My own one now while you're saying,
Mammy, do what?
Then person, I know the castle.
Mammy, do what?
Uncle, Fee, and take him a blabber. Me, your man who would do her. Fee, what you have from
me? Because I'm at work.
What you have from so maybe what we are doing. I mean, we are doing it right hand. And young brother, we are doing home. I do not have a man. And your man, and your man, said you would know what such a man if you had a flannel. Junior, take an offer.
I saw you where see here.
Me to me for sin and couple somebody but
Hey, nyame from our.
and I'm yeah.
We now walk, nyame from our.
Me ko show me tipo.
And you what me pay?
Me patch.
What the me pay?
Me patch.
What the me
I
pay?
beg of you more. It's show you what Roma. With all due respect.
Oh my me di hu ya papa. Nem nim so be me say that. Sure buy. The what about what that you be? What about what you be?
I'm so sorry, madam.
Well, if you have, now could be some young room, be some man. One of you, so we don't find you only to our back, let them. Pan them, California, let them.
Say, you may
only come for them. Mr. Papa, can't you to the candy car of the woman? One for them, Mr.
Mama, I don't know what you are doing. What is this?
Hey, who be dinner?
Sister. Anopa ya de bia kosomante ase. Ma pia free inside. Me koto ade wa abontene. Pia ya ni ti de ni ntwiko mani kakra bi poduru ho a. Wase oba. Ena ukunu. Wase oba akwa ba foforo de na abra ukunu. Njire ho no by force. Ukunu ne nkoda ne me se menti ade we ya se. Because in sister net ya wade ya se. Nti aben na banti a na so wo kwafa ba foforo. Dena abre ni kunu no. Ma dwene wa menti ase. Oh, sister ka hwanzen. No kunu ni fie mpo. Menye so no kunu na wo adwuma according to nkomo na odi no. Ukunu wo adwuma no ofre ne ma ne baaye.
What in nkomo na no.
Sister, by force say awo nwo, wo ye bonyini. Nti oni ba na odi na ba ne nkoda. By force, odi be wura de ni ma woro be ho atopu no majabeda nim. Yes. What say no no. Ti me sem dwene wa me se da bi maintain e ma se. Ne me la da bi anwumire ye se mbo wa mane. Na no pa di asi wachi no no. O se sister unu kunu no nti unu eso obisa ne de nti asa e koso me nim. Why? Mate. Because of him. Amisi mani ho no wa woro ba na tade no wa jiri brazia. O se wo no pe umpo. Oni aba ya he beda. Abontene. So kunu peso beti ase no se won ti ase enwura da ni dia eno be ma na ye na bontene no wa ko bie ka he akofa ntuma kwase ka nim ukunu da ho ma ni bebutu so me se na dia simanim wa na dia me koto nje ni nda ni mani boko ni nko wura da ni me se anso wa ho no wa yi ade na da ni sam o se be fia no sister ma wani nda ho because anopa dia asi no ma dwene ho amenti ase ye be man de anya na adwene so oyo na mom wase oba he na opia kuna tikọ so nkodi sa abone no mate tu de bisa kunu yie why na nso obai wase wo ti na aso be so ye me where you wa wuro kunu be te kwara
maso
oyu kunu be te na de hia page na da wase nsem ukunu se ma me why wase why Sanya mi ani ma dwale ho afi wo be ka hai. Kan ko hura ofa ko shem. Me se die asia no pani sister. Ma wani na ho. Nnua ba no mpe wasempa ma wani na ho.
Asori na se wo ye mesa. Na se wo fe so ye mesa.
Wase wo de. Kese mi andwene ho a me nim bone a wo de aye wase hinti a betu wani sasa. Sister abutire o. Ya no ane se na mene. Wo ye sure so ba hwe ne ba ne te. Wa kwafa ba foforo ba se chenchenchen a one ne nda. Na de mbone kwani nwa ba he ode ayemo. De mbone kwani ndia nwa ba he ode ayemo. Na mo ebe bo mo konkomu aso. Wontwa na mo.
I can't sleep.
Why?
Fee, why is your mother doing this to me? What have I done to her?
What has she done?
Why is she forcing a woman on you? What a reason? Have I ever disrespected her before? I don't.
How did you get to know of this? Because you and I were not there. I was around, I witnessed everything. But I'm surprised you had the opportunity to hear of what really transpired. So how did you go to know of this? Oh, there are information centers around. I'm talking to you, answer.
Why? What does she want from me? Why is she making my life so difficult? Why does she want me to go through pains? If I was her daughter, would she do this to me? Why can't she understand? Talk of it. She wanted to force someone. Talk of it. She wants you to sleep with the person in the car. What kind of disgrace is this?
I am totally surprised you had the opportunity to hear all this information. What really baffles me most is how did you get to know of this? Whatever you're telling me is true. I was at the office when she called me and told me she needed me to come and do something in the house. When I came, she was with somebody. What that she told me was I should go and have an affair with that fellow because that fellow's family, by the flip of her hands, then baby comes in. I told her I can do it. She insisted and I said, I'm not going to do it. So if I'm not going in with the lady, instead she's opening my car door for me to have an affair with the lady in the car. Which of course I can't do it. I told her, Mom, how can you open the door for me and tell me to have an affair with a lady in the car? I mean, I can do it. So based on that, even for that very evening, when I came from work, it was a whole lot of issues. But baby, you know very well that it's you that I love. I love you so much and I can't naked myself for another person to see my nakedness, baby. It's you alone who knows my nakedness. Aside you, nobody. Baby, that's the only problem.
Talk to your mother. Please talk to her. I love you so much.
I love you too.
love you, Phil, please. You should give me some time. God's time is the best. You should not push me, please.
Baby, me do you know how to swim? Me for cheat.
Thank you.
Why? Please, I love you more. See.
Good night.
It's okay.
Ella, I'm really sorry for all that really transpired in there. No, it wasn't my fault. I only brought you to my godfather for him to explain things well for you, to understand that I don't support whatever is going on in the house there. I don't like it.
I know.
I don't like it. I mean, I just don't like it. And have the impression that I love you. With baby or without baby, Ella, I still love you. I mean, it's by His grace. You know where we started from and how far the Lord has brought us. And I could speak the truth that it's you who has really made whom I am now today. So I still love you, irrespective of anything at all. With baby or without baby, I love you. This issue shouldn't create a problem, shouldn't create a boundary. So please, I'm sorry.
Babe, it's not your fault. You've not done anything. I don't understand. I don't understand myself. Why all this? We were so happy together.
Yes! Absolutely!
God, why this, God? It's not anyone's fault, it's my fault.
Ella, I don't want you to blame yourself. Under normal circumstance, when you came out with that decision, I felt I needed to respect my wife's decision. So I have to blush towards it. You see, and look at the problems they are giving to us. Look at the problems and the cost. At least with baby or without baby, God is still blessing us. Our job is booming all right without having problems.
This is too much. Because if I knew this was going to happen, I won't even step in. Seriously.
I know God will definitely make a way out.
Let His will be done, because I give all glory to God. Seriously.
And this issue shouldn't shut our blessings down. Of course, you know.
I know.
And I love you.
I love you too. I love you.
So I'm so sorry.
Of life.
But still have it in mind with all the pressures my mom is giving to you. I love you so much.
I love you. I love you.
I know.
This is not going to separate us. Okay? Still have in my heart, okay?
I love you so much, honey.
Asema mi baby sawi. Enfe bibia nsie me. No kru bia wo mu ka kire me. Se no kru ni pia eno. E bebe menya asam no kuma sibe. Menya ko solution. Dia ko sufie ho ni nyina. Enye se enhame. Eyem ya pa. Mte sana woso eye woya. Wofa ya wo mu. Na menim se wo kunu die, okeka nanim. Manya me so mpa ne sidi, se de bibia ha no. Nso niema e do kunu ni yi, e so e be ma. Ame wa sidi, mbu se wa bodam. Kasa enfa kwen, se mu so ni nso. Na emum anu ye beba ejina wo so. Se de mu bisa wo fe bibia. Evia, o si sono. O na won wale en o si sono. Wa ye guda. Daddy. Me chese o twempra o mpra twi mu no. Wa nyima no maduro. Daddy. Na wale ye woni ukunu manyem ama na saida ma debi woni ukunu obrampa hoda debi na o ka se dia ekoso ne yemede enyemede o metiti mi diare wo mi no pa Shema esma buse wunyina no o ma me mo ayese debi ti se nye bibi na ade ka wo afunu na emom awona na emade a enne me me hye wo bo se chema wo be wo ofi se ye fie bonyini eni fie bo ya siri mboni ni the pennies of the safe you will the point here see the make catch one say afi ade e friend arewo abamubuo adwendwen Chama if you want to send a funu no, be near me. I feel so when you kunu ba beda. Catch a way funu no. Send ye any jake na wash she. Near woman and sanch and in I on fact. One some.
Tell me. Tell me. That's a worry too much. Talk to me. Miss, tell me a lady. How about you? What's it? There is no way too difficult. Come on. Eh? Talk to me.
What do you need from me? Can't you see I want to be on my own?
Relax. We're not fighting, right?
And likewise, I'm not fighting with you. I'm only telling you to let me be, that's all. I just want to be. Huh?
Let's talk. But let me know how to talk. That's why. Not much.
And I'm not ready to have any conversations with you, that's all. So you're pestering me, can't you see? You are getting on my nerves.
I'm sorry, but just calm down. Let's talk. Eh? Relax. Just
This is the second time you're trying to be difficult on me. I believe this should be the last warning I'm giving to you. If you dare me, you still a stupid side. Don't touch me. There are other men around. Go over there. There are many men over there. Why do you want to sit on my neck? Why are you bothering me? What? Why? A lady proposing to my interest for something.
I like you. Just come on, let's talk.
Then I hate you as well. Sharamuta.
Please, wait. I'm going with you.
Ella, are you sure you don't want to drink? I'm okay. Very okay? Okay.
Why
Yes,
did we
dear.
get married?
What do you mean, what we get married?
Because I don't understand.
Is there a problem?
I got married to be happy,
Yes.
to enjoy life, to have peace, to move to another level. But why?
What do you mean, why? You still haven't said anything.
I thought I was getting married to be happy and just smile and feel the world. But mine is different.
Different as in what? I don't get it. You need to just open up. Is there a problem going on?
Since I got married,
Yeah.
I have never smiled. Like, I don't understand. I always cry.
Why?
I don't enjoy the life I used to.
What do you mean? I don't get it. What's going on? Can you talk to me?
If I say my husband has been unfair or give me problems, I'm lying. But
What?
his
Come
mother,
on, just feel free and talk
his
to me.
mother and his brother, they are giving me headache.
I mean,
They are putting me through pains.
really?
Gosh.
What are they saying?
All because I don't have a child.
Really? So that's your problem. Are you God? You are not. I mean, you should just be patient. At the right time, God will provide. It's not everyone who gives birth right from marriage. Others takes a year, 2, 3, even 5. Yes. I got married and after 3 years I had my first daughter and that's it. So, I mean, they should just be patient for you.
If I knew this was going to happen, I will not bring them into our family house. Seriously, because this is
You
too
know,
much.
Ella, let me just tell you something. Be patient, pray to God, and at the right time it will come. Yes, that's the truth.
Let's forget about what yet. Why don't you believe in God? It will definitely happen.
And still, please talk to my husband.
I will.
Talk to him for me.
Okay.
Tell him all the words you are saying to me. Let him understand.
Okay.
That God's time is the best. I will have a baby.
Definitely. You will. Just believe it. And we are also supporting you in prayer, so it will definitely happen. Yeah? You're welcome.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome, sweetie. It's okay. You don't have to cry. Come on. Don't cry, okay? Let us well.
I'll take my name.
Alright then. Say hello to Fee for me, okay? Okay.
Here, here.
The Game Boy.
On the beat.
Hello.
You again? So you are here to embarrass me again?
Not at all. That will be the last thing I ever do.
So, what should I do for you?
In fact, I'm here to say I'm so sorry for the embarrassment I made you went through the other time.
Really?
I'm so sorry. And then it wasn't my plans. I mean, you know I'm a gentleman, and a gentleman don't insult or give pressure to beautiful ladies of your type. That whole thing was when my mom called me, I thought it was something serious, something beyond measures. I didn't know it was issues like that. And then you know what really happened at the drinking spot. I saw people were looking at us, and others were even mocking at us in addition. I am so sorry. I only played with you to find a space in your heart to forgive me.
It's fine.
I know what you are feeling. A gentleman of my caliber can't treat beautiful ladies like this. I'm sorry.
It's okay.
Thank you so much. But where are you heading towards?
I'm going around.
Wouldn't mind if I give you a ride? I know you will reject it, but I can see you are melting. The sun is scorching. If you don't mind, can I give you a ride? And for you to change the temperature.
Alright.
Thank you. Please. Let me. I've totally thought of something and I want to discuss it with you.
What is it?
You all know it yourself that ever since we got married, it has been ages. Not even a cry of a baby in this house. And to be are growing, likewise I am growing. This is the time we need to take care of the baby that will come. But the baby is no more coming. So I've thought of going for another woman, getting married to her, for her to come and live here. So when she has a baby, or when she carries, when the opportunity comes,
What?
then we'll be from there.
Fee, what did you just say? You going for what?
Of course, another woman to have a baby with.
Fee, where is the love you told me?
And the love is still there.
No!
The love is still there. I still love you as my wife. Of course, a breadwinner as well.
No, wait. You want to bring in another woman to enjoy my wealth?
Not that per se. It's a matter of giving her chop money. Not enjoy your wealth. Your wealth is something huge. How can I allow her to enjoy the wealth?
That's not going to happen. That's not possible. Please, excuse me. Please, don't.
Baby, what I'm trying to say is, understand me, we are growing. We need to get somebody to take care of at least in future our bona fide properties and manage it well. So we are my client to do a woman. And I bet to see say even po so bana wo wie na say you fish a bit see a colana. It's a matter of we taking the baby, then allow her to go.
You think I'm stupid? Say that to the birds. Rub it. Say, baby.
The child happens to be a girl. I'm gonna name her by you and
you? You're not fine? Why? What's wrong? No, Ella, I don't think it's advisable. You know what? It's because you're married, and I'm also married. I can just accept you in my house. And moreover, Fee is my husband's nephew, so I think what I have to do is to just talk to Fee. No, I'm sorry, no, it's not possible. You know what? I understand, but I have to talk to Fee about it again. And I think from there, things will definitely change, okay? But coming over, it's not the best. I'm sorry. No, just be patient, okay? Just be. I'll see what I can do about it. Thank you. Good. Bye, dear.
for. Don't pass me. Oh, what you? You know, because I don't pass me. Huh?
Sorry, Paul.
Hi, Siri.
Oh, so sorry for keeping you waiting. Oh my goodness.
I said, obey.
I said, what kind of stupid question is this?
I said, me, stupid.
Oh, good answers demand good answers and stupid questions demand stupid answers. Who be some say obey and I'm saying, what kind of stupid question is this?
I said, hey, me, stupid.
No, but don't you haven't you realized it's a stupid question you are asking me?
What do you want to fear? I don't know.
So, I'm the owner of this house, so I have the power to bring anybody in I want. Didn't you have a question? That one is not necessary. So,
when you mean
for the fourth time, so it's a stupid question you're asking me.
So, what do you have a name?
Now, question of someone who did that on the mouth.
What do you want to fear? And you say, obey them, free the body. Obey them. It's about me.
So you don't have the right to ask me this question because I'm the owner of this house, so I have the power to do whatever I want. And I know, sir. And I want you. And so, so I'm taking care of you. Obey if you're going to be out here, and then they will fly.
And then go back, the body may be fine.
Because Atadwe show me could do by buy and toy. Next woman, and I'm Yama, we are more roaming.
It is not so about the fear, they want to be the papa, oh, you didn't know about the fear that you didn't do yesterday.
Me no ba bear man wo fia and mako for ba na be fia and I said me no ba me no ba ba e wo fia na ko for bear man na ba o me no ma na ye bear man yo ba o me no one e bear man yo ba
aso should be aso anyway so boy
also when so what's for what huh hey so I can throw my guest away in my own house.
It's going to be yours.
But it's okay.
So